Performing patch budding. To perform this procedure, you will need the following tools and materials: a budding knife, grafting tape or any available plastic tie, rootstock with a healthy bud stick, and another rootstock. Identify the active growth part of the plant. This is usually found around the middle part of the stem where the green and brown barks meet. Make a rectangular cut around the active growth part. Peel the bark around the cut area. Select a healthy bud stick from one of the rootstocks. Cut the bud into a rectangular shape, similar to the size of the cut into other rootstock. Place the bud in the cut of the rootstock. Make the necessary adjustment to ensure that the bud and the bark fills the entire place area. Tie the union. Wrap the bud with a single layer of the plastic to avoid water from coming into contact with the bud. Cut the upper part of the rootstock. Remove the tie when the buds start to swell.